Hello, my name's Tom Shepherdson. I'm studying agricultural engineering here at Harper Adams, and I'm in my second year of study. Background in engineering is I live on an arable farm, so I've had quite a bit of experience tinkering and taking things to pieces. But with motorsport side, I've never really had that much experience in it. This is pretty much my first experience with a rally or motorsport club, team or anything like that. What got me into it was Charlie came up to us in a lecture theatre one day and said, "Do you want to join?" I said, "Well, yeah, why not?" So I'm here. What excites me about rally team is getting hands-on with a hot car and tinkering with stuff in the workshop, because I'm quite used to tractors, big kit, diesel engines. It's quite a big step to come from diesel to sporting petrols. I want to get more experience with that side of things, and I've achieved that quite a bit. Being part of the BRC for a rally team, I'll say it's quite challenging, as it's something I'm not very used to, and as far as I'm aware, we're the only BRC university team in the UK, so it's quite a unique experience to get yourself into. How's my engineering background helped me with motorsports? I believe it gives me the confidence and the will to do things. Biggest lesson I've learnt is communication. A team runs off communication. If you don't speak to any people or anything like that, then nothing's going to happen. I say I've always been quite a quiet person, and just getting the confidence to ask, is this the right thing to do? Is this what it's supposed to look like? How do I do this? Is quite a big step for me. And so I've really benefited with being on the team with that aspect. What people don't realise about the rally team is we're all very, very different people, but we all come together to do one job. We've got different skills, different experiences, all coming together, getting one car ready to go on a stage. Well, I say it's shaped my future career goals with more of the communication and confidence side. It's given me the confidence to go out and apply for a career that I quite like, and it's given me the confidence to ask questions when I was at the interview. So I say it's really helped in that aspect of communication wise, because I wasn't very strong with that when I joined, but now I'll say I'm fairly alright. Where I see myself in 5 or 10 years, I'll say right now I have got a placement with CLAS, so I'll hopefully be working with them. However, in my spare and free time, I like to either join a local club down there or still be working up here with the rally team. So I say it's a brilliant hobby to get into. Well, so joining Rallying The Wright Way, but all I can say is just do it. Like when I joined, I only knew one person. I knew how to tinker, but we've taken on people who have never ever picked up a spanner in their life, and they're coming onto stages and tinkering with the car and getting all set up. So I'll say, don't think down on you because you haven't got experience. You're here to get the experience, and it's a bloody big opportunity that you can miss out on if you don't.